Welcome to Xplody FPS, your chill place for tech fixes, gaming tweaks, and PC optimizations. Hey everyone, it's Saira here. And today, we're diving straight into something that's been bugging a lot of users lately. If you've been seeing that weird Chrome cache error, you know, something like Chrome-Error Chromewebdata or ERR cache miss, yeah, you're definitely not alone. This issue has been popping up mostly from 2024 to 2025, and it's especially noticeable for Windows 11 users. Because, let's be real, when you're running Windows 11 on solid hardware, you expect a premium, smooth-as-butter experience, not weird glitches like this. So when random errors show up, it's extra frustrating. Alright, let's jump straight into the fixes. First up, clearing the corrupted cache. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, and head into Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Now, for the time range, select All Time. Checkmark cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then hit Clear Data. Wait for it to finish, and once done, refresh the page. This will force Chrome to pull everything fresh instead of loading from the messed up cache. If that didn't solve it, let's move on to extensions. Bad extensions can secretly mess up Chrome's cache without you even realizing it. In the address bar, type Chrome://extensions and hit enter. Now, disable all the extensions by flipping their toggles off. Close Chrome, reopen it, and try loading the page again. If it works fine now, that means one of your extensions was the troublemaker. Turn them back on one by one to find the guilty one, and either update it or remove it. Still no luck? No worries, let's flush the DNS cache now. Click on the Windows icon, search for Command Prompt, and right-click to run it as administrator. Inside the black window, type ipconfig//flushdns, then press Enter. You'll see a quick confirmation saying the DNS resolver cache was flushed successfully. Close the window, restart Chrome, and see if the issue is gone. If it's still acting weird, let's reset Chrome settings completely. But don't worry, it won't delete your bookmarks or passwords. Open Chrome again, go to Settings, scroll down to Reset and Clean Up, then choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset, let Chrome do its thing, and then relaunch it. This puts Chrome back to factory settings while keeping your important stuff safe. Now, here's the last and very important step. Make sure Chrome can update itself properly. Sometimes, if Chrome's background services are blocked, it can't pull the newest bug fixes. Click on the Windows icon, search for nsconfig, and open it. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services. This will hide all the Windows core stuff and show only third-party services. Now scroll and make sure all Google Chrome-related services are checked. Hit Apply and OK. Restart your PC once to let everything settle. When you're back, open Chrome, click the three dots again, go to Help, and then about Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install anything new. A fresh update can easily fix a bunch of invisible problems, including this annoying cache error. And that's it for today's fix. If you followed each step carefully, your Chrome should feel brand new again, smooth, responsive, and error-free. Always remember to keep your browser and Windows updated. And hey, if anything else pops up, don't worry, there's always another fix waiting. Catch you in the next one. This is Saira, signing off from Xplody FPS. Stay chill, stay sharp, and keep your setup running buttery smooth.